Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Salba Girls Inter College, and I'm Salba ma'am. I'm going to teach you chemistry, and today I'm taking up the topic balancing the chemical equation. I've already taught about the chemical equation in my previous lecture, and now you can consult that video, and today we are going to see how to balance a chemical equation. Okay students, now for balancing the equation we are going to take example of this equation. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Now I will tell you how step by step you are going to balance this equation. Step 1 is draw boxes or bracket around each formula. First of all, what we are going to do is we are going to draw boxes or brackets around each formula. Why we are drawing this bracket or boxes? Because we cannot add any number in between or over here. We can add only numbers in front of the formula. Whether it is Fe, H2O, we can only add number in front of the formula. So that is why we are drawing this bracket. Now step 2 is draw the table. In this I have already told you, these are what? Reactants, and these are the product. This is LHS, that is left hand side, and this is RHS, right hand side. So left hand side are the reactants and right hand side are the product. Now in the second step we are going to draw the table. In this table we will write elements, then reactant side and product side. Now elements are Fe, hydrogen and oxygen, that is iron, hydrogen and oxygen, which are present on the reactant side, that is LHS, and product side, and that is RHS. Now on the reactant side, how many iron atoms are there? 1. So we will write 1. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 2 hydrogen atoms are there. We will write 2. How many oxygen atoms are there? 1 oxygen atom is there. We will write 1. Similarly, on the product side, how many iron atoms are there on the product side? 3. We will write 3. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 2 hydrogen atoms are there. We will write 2. And how many oxygen atoms are there? 4 oxygen atoms are there. We will write 4. In the third step, balancing of oxygen we will do. In this we have to draw a table like this, in which atoms of oxygen we will write, and then in the reactant side and the product side. Initially, that is how many atoms are there in the reactant side? In the reactant side, 1 oxygen atom is present in H2O. And in the product side, how many atoms are present? 4 atoms are present in Fe3O4. 4 atoms are present in Fe3O4. Now to balance the equation, that is LHS should be equal to RHS. So reactant side should be equal to product side. 1 atom is in the reactant side and 4 atoms is on the product side. We will multiply it by 4. This is 4. So on the reactant side, we will multiply with this H2O by 4. So we will write over here 4. Okay, so it is now oxygen is balanced. 4 oxygen atoms are over here and 4 oxygen atoms are over here. Now in the step 4 we are going to balance hydrogen atoms. So what we will do, we will draw again this table, and atoms of hydrogen initially in reactant side. Now we will see in the reactant side how many atoms of hydrogen are there. 4 into 2, that is 8 atoms. 8 atoms of hydrogen are there on the reactant side. So 8 atoms in 4H2O. Right? In the product side, how many atoms are there? 2. 2 atoms are there. So we will write 2. And now to balance the equation, 8 are here. So 8 should be on the product side also. So 2 into 4 will be 8. 8 atoms. Now we will write over here 4. Right? Now then in the step 5 we are going to balance iron atoms. In the iron atoms, same table will be drawn at number of atoms of iron. Initially iron atom was 1 in Fe, and then we will in the product there are 3 iron atoms, so we will multiply it by 3, so both will get balance. Now we will check whether the equation is balanced properly or not. First is iron. We will check iron atom. 3 atoms of iron are there on the left hand side. On the right hand side of this arrow, how many atoms of iron are there? 3. Okay, iron is balanced. Now next is hydrogen. Hydrogen, how many atoms are there? 4 into 2. 8 atoms are there on the left hand side. On the right hand side, 4 into 2, 8 atoms are there. Then oxygen, how many atoms are there? 4 atoms of oxygen is there on the left hand side. On the right hand side, how many atoms of oxygen are there? 4 atoms. Now this equation is fully balanced. Now we are going to write equation properly with their physical state. 3Fe, which is solid, plus 4H2O, which is a gas. Over here we are taking hydrogen, water in the steam form, so we'll write over here gas. Then is Fe3O4, which is a solid, and H4H2O, which is again a gas. This is a complete balancing of the equation. This is all for today. Please like the video and subscribe the channel if you find it helpful, and you will get more videos on this channel. Thank you so much.